everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be doing my first ever makeup video on this channel. Now, yeah. Okay. So let's just get just started right up in here, you know, people out there that's watching. Okay. So to start off this makeup look, we're going to be using the Sanita's Moisture Mist. I just got out of the shower and I have to use this and the Sanita's Balancing Moisturizer right here. Let's see if it'll focus. Don't just focus right on this thing right here. Perfect, right. Do you see it? We're just gonna grab this, a little bit of this. Now it's time for the Balancing Moisturizer. I use this like a primer, kind of, before makeup. Instead of just like using like a basic primer, I'm just using this as the primer. Okay, so after that we're gonna use, here it is, the Marc Jacobs foundation right here. I don't use concealer, I don't use foundation. So now I'm just gonna like put it on this bug bite here. Okay guys, I just finished that and now we're going to move on to the eyeshadow. So I just got the Morphe brushes and I am so excited because I just got them for Christmas and I've been using them a lot. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be using, I'm like deciding what color I want. You know what, I'm going to start using this one right here. This is one of my most used colors.
She works the nights by the water.
We're not gonna like try to go in the middle and cover that up. Like as you can see, we're gonna use this color right here. And we're gonna just like go in the middle. Oh, and the brush that I'm using is JH31. It's a good brush, I have to say. Now we're gonna grab a little bit of this color with our finger. We're just gonna rub it in there.
Hold up. Did you just say rub it in? Oh my gosh, Talia. You need some serious talk about makeup. It's blending, not rubbing. You just blew on your finger with eyeshadow on it. It's not going to come off.
Okay. Now we're just gonna tap it on my eye. And then after that, we're gonna grab this brush again. And we're just gonna blend this out. Blending, whoa, start blending, whoa, start blending really quick. Just blend all the time, 'cause you only live once. Okay, so now we're gonna grab a little bit of this color right here that we were using before. And then we're gonna grab a little bit of this color right here. And then we're just gonna blend this all together. Okay. So now I'm gonna set this brush to the side and I'm gonna grab the palette.
Hold up. Those are brushes, not a palette. This is a palette. Those are brushes. Here, zoom up. There you go. See, those are brushes.
Now I'm gonna grab the brushes again, and then we're gonna go grab this little teeny tiny little brush, and it is the JH38. So we're gonna use this one right here. I'm just gonna go with this. And then we're gonna just go up here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and do my brows.
Please help me. I don't want to be used. Please subscribe. That is how you're going to help me. Please just subscribe.
I'm just gonna fill over that. And then we're gonna grab this. We're just gonna. But now I'm gonna do my lashes. And guys, I will literally be back in like 2 seconds. I just need to do my lashes and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just did my mascara on this eye. I still have to do this eye. I didn't put that much mascara on this eye because after tonight I have to come home and wash this all off. So yeah, I'm only gonna put on like teensy tiny little bit, like look at that. Oh yeah, I can do like this weird thing with my eyes. It's really cool. You ready? I think it's awesome. What kind of cool tricks do you have? Comment down below and then you can get a shout out in next time's video, you know? You know? Shout out all to those people who are watching this video right now. Shout outs. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing this eye and then I will be right back. Alright guys, so I just did my other eye, as you can see. Yeah, as I told you, I did not put that much mascara on, but it's like, anyway, so now we're going to be using the Burt's Bees Vanilla Bean. I'm just gonna be applying it right here. Now we're going to be using the Urban Decay, this. So yeah, like, now we're going to be applying the NYX Professional Makeup Butter Gloss. I love this color. So yeah, now we're gonna put that over here. So yeah guys, this is the final look. I am really happy with this. Anyway guys, this is like the final look. I love this look so much. I've been wearing this. Normally don't ever put on makeup here in Cambodia, but I was just like, let's just try this out for one day, and I absolutely loved it. And so I wanted to show you guys how to do it. So yeah, go subscribe and comment down what video you want me to do next. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.